Nanay and Claire. Hello KaFam, this is Nanay, this is Claire. Welcome to my channel. We're going to use face and body crayon.
Dahil may face painting activity sina Claire sa school, this face and body crayons from National Bookstore at ang presyo niya ay $249.75 and it's non-toxic. It's better safe than sorry, kaya dapat gumamit talaga ng face paint na intended talaga sa face, yung hypoallergenic. Huwag pong gumamit ng mga poster paint or watercolor kasi pwede silang magkaroon ng skin allergic reaction. So ito ay para talaga sa face and body. Face and body.
Yes.
So you're going to turn into
A pink swan!
gusto niyo maging pink swan.
Nanay, it's like a pen, Nanay.
Yes! Ang dami niyang colors. Merong 6 regular, 6 na neon, 6 pearl, 2 glitters, and 1 sponge stick. Para mas madali kay Claire na gumamit at mag-paint sa iyong face. First thing we're going to do is fix your hair kasi ballerina ka today. Nice and tight.
You too, I like it.
I've done my hair already.
Follow you.
Yes, at dahil dependent learner siya, so I will show it first to her and she's going to
Follow you.
follow me. Okay?
Okay?
Pink Swan?
Yeah.
Wow. I always use the Glam hairspray from Watson's. Hindi siya masyadong malagkit pero very strong yung kapit niya. I have this hair band.
Yes.
And we're going to cover with a hair net. Nice! You like your hair?
Yes. It's so very round. Like a circle.
Perfect circle. So now we are ready for your face paint.
Yes. I'm so excited.
So let's see.
Nanay?
What?
Are you practice to paint a swan?
Why?
You just follow this?
Bahala na si Batman, o, di ba? Screw type siya ang pen. So we're just going to twist. This is orange, mali.
Oh.
Ito yung glitter pink nila. We are going to use this first. May kopya kami dito. Ayan. Okay. So like this, kay Clara, sa eyes.
I see the sparkle. Wow! This
Okay, ha?
Yes. When I need your help, you just hold my hand.
Oo, pwede naman yun kasi dependent learner naman si Claire.
Yes. I like that color. And we're going to put a sprinkles right here.
May
This is
sprinkles. Glitters!
glitter.
Para sprinkles, donut ba to? Tawa ko sa sprinkles. Sprinkles! Magaan lang siyang gamitin. Easy. Pero nagpa-practice pa sila ng kanilang hand grip.
Yes.
Okay, so that's our... Your turn. Your turn. You hold it. Okay.
So much fun.
Na.
Maybe it looks so very beautiful.
Okay.
I see the black here.
Okay, that one. See the black?
Yes. Yes, so very beautiful. You
Ang drama ng eyes. Oh.
you're like a pink swan.
Tama ba?
Yes, that's okay. When you have make mistake, that's okay.
Okay.
Baba, i-trace ko ni isang color pink.
Yeah. Okay, ha? Let's be your turn.
Gonna see. Here, here. I cannot see. Where?
Check ko na. Wow.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Here.
Very good. Wow. Color white kay Claire. Ay, follow mo lang sa babaw naman sa pink. Nice ng
Ooh.
kulay.
And we're going to cover this later.
Oo.
Ah.
Wow.
This
Nice. Oh, that's pretty good, ah.
I like dark pink
This one, no?
para makita.
You
cover your eyebrow.
Make ka na isang line para guide.
It's like a pink swan wings.
Nice! 1, 2,
2.
and 3.
I color my eyebrows with color pink. Like this.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Be a little bigger.
Yeah. Oh, cool. You look beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Galing ni Claire. Very good.
I trace it.
Hindi siya kita. Kita ba siya?
Oink!
Kita?
Yes.
2,
You're so very beautiful.
4, ha?
You're so very beautiful.
Lamlas ang eyes, color pink. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
We're going to make more feathers pa, okay?
Okay.
Long na. Kita mo?
Oh, yes.
Na.
Like this. Like a pink swan.
Sundan mo lang na oh. Like that, okay? Nice mo, Claire.
Thank you, and I like yours.
Oh, diba? Light lang sa ako.
I like gold.
Alright.
KaFam, we're going to look
Gold?
gold.
Oh, careful with the glitters, okay?
See the glitter.
Nice.
Okay. You like it, Nanay? It's gold.
Para may shining, shimmering, splendid.
Tell me, princess, you like it, Nanay? You can see it. You like it? You like the gold?
Yeah.
I like the silver. KaFam, let's dress up now, KaFam. KaFam. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm a pink swan, KaFam. Wow! Nice.
Wait, beautiful ka, di ba? Wow! Ganda.
KaFam, Nanay will take my picture.
So, ano? Tapos talo ka to sa camera. Are you happy?
Yes, I like my face paint and my dress and my headdress.
Closer look sa face paint ni Claire. Your crown, and then your headdress. Wow! Feel na feel.
What do you think, KaFam? Comment down below.
Wow!
Bye-bye, KaFam. Please comment and subscribe. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoy. Love, Nanay and Claire. And follow us in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.